First steps in learning English. Birds. Canary. This is a canary. This is a canary. What is this? What is this? This is a canary. This is a canary. Duck. This is a duck. This is a duck. What is this? What is this? This is a duck. This is a duck. Eagle. This is an eagle. This is an eagle. What is this? What is this? This is an eagle. This is an eagle. Crow. This is a crow. This is a crow. What is this? What is this? This is a crow. This is a crow. Owl. This is an owl. This is an owl. What is this? What is this? This is an owl. This is an owl. Goose. This is a goose. This is a goose. What is this? What is this? This is a goose. This is a goose. Parrot. This is a parrot. This is a parrot. What is this? What is this? This is a parrot. This is a parrot. Pigeon. This is a pigeon. This is a pigeon. What is this? What is this? This is a pigeon. This is a pigeon.